description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got Buldak Rosé in a bowl. Ooh. So, that is what's going down. If I can open this thing, because it's... There we go. We take these and set them over here. We take this and drop it in there. We take this and fill to the line. And we take this and we set it for 4 minutes. So, yeah. They did not have microwave instructions on this, which kind of bums me out. I really kind of expected it, you know? Yeah, sorry, Choshu. Anyways. Yeah. So, yeah, it's kind of an uphill battle with that new camera. I don't know. It's weird. It's very weird. The other camera, I was getting shots to work just fine. This one, there's more settings. Maybe I have to look at the other one to see what the settings should be. I don't know, but I will get there. I like the learning curve because it's like I figure something out new every day when I'm messing with the DSLR, so that's a plus. But yeah, and I'm really excited about this one. I feel bad. I feel like I should be doing a mukbang, but I really don't feel like gobbling down fast any noodles today. I might. I was thinking maybe I'll do that on Friday, and it's like, actually today is like honestly a good day to do it. My wife's break is not for a while, so. But I don't. Yeah, my GoPro isn't charged. Sorry. But yeah, all will be well. And I know, I can tell you from experience, this is spicy, but it's not that spicy. It's the rosé, so it's like the accessible one. It's like a creamy, spicy one, and it's really freaking good. I think it was either this one or the lovely Buldak. One or the other was my favorite, and I can't remember which. I think, but both of them I know I really enjoyed quite a bit. So. But this one, I had done a mukbang where I scarf it down, and then I had deleted it before I had a chance to actually go and edit it. That happens sometimes when I'm like doing maintenance. It's like I've got a big folder, and let me tell you, I got a big folder, and it's got each day. So like this will be the 0805 day in the folder's called piss. Why? I don't know. I just was like, piss, whatever. So I made it, and it's been that way for like, God, years. And I just put the date. I copy the videos like it's recording right now. Copy those into there, make a subfolder, just new folder, and then copy all the photos that I took. And then I make the thumbnails, and then I do the video runs, and then I do the photoshops. I got a year's worth of Firefly, so I can do as much generative fill as I want, and that makes me really happy. I think there's probably some people that are like, generative fill is horrible. I don't care. I don't care what you think when it comes to stuff like that. I really don't. Sorry, but I don't. Oh, yeah, we should do that. Okay. It is almost done. In fact, it is done. So you gotta reserve 2 spoons of water. So what we're gonna do is just get them out right now. That wasn't very full. That should be about right. And now we drain it. There's that. No, that's all right. Okay, here we go. There's that. There's our 2 tablespoons of reserved liquid. Here's our spicy sachet. Yeah. I don't understand this song. Is he saying Lady Gaga, Lady Gaga, Gaga? I wish I could play whatever music I wanted to for this show. That would be really cool, but that's just not how it works. I mean, I could, and it's not about like monetizing it. It's about having it be able to play for anybody who wants to check out the show, because they'll just mute it. So yeah, what do you do? Saucy, get yourself a little bit saucy. You know what it's smelling kind of like is barbecue sauce. I don't know. This might be kind of a. Oh, I loved this stuff when I had it. Oh wait. We'll see. I distinctly remember really liking this stuff. Well, let's give it a try. Alright. Cheers. Alright. It's really sweet. It's not what I remember. It's not bad. And while I was saying that this is one of my favorites, I don't know that I can say that anymore, which is really kind of surprising. I had this whole feel that I love this one. I don't. I'm not feeling all the love for this one currently. I don't know. I'm gonna try one more bite before I dispense with the pleasantries. The noodle's quite good. Not super duper thick, but it's good. Maybe they changed it. I mean, that is a distinct possibility. That would be kind of a surprise, though. But yeah. I am not finding that same, oh, it's like kind of thing. Oh, crud. There it is. That's good. Alright, so we're going to make it look all pretty. There's some chashu. Pork it up. Pork it. Alright. Ah, scallions. No, wait. Wait for scallions. Right? Blowtorch. Mud shark. Yep. Been listening to a lot of Zappa lately. Well, the other night I listened to a lot of Zappa in memory of my good friend, the Reverend. That guy was quite possibly one of the strangest people I ever met, and a really good guy. I'm bummed. Yeah, his name was Jamie Burridge, and he died in, what, February? I still think about that guy every day. It's like, fuck, man. Sucks. I had a fork. I have a fork. And we have a little bit of kimchi. Mmm. There you go. That looks good. Some kimchi, and I think I'm going to go with pepper thread too. Mm. Here it is. Oh, come on. Oh. All right. See, that's the excuse me, the tough part about using a DSLR, because if the focus isn't right, you're not going to get that nice sharpness on that pepper thread, and that's like something I really like in the pretty pictures. But oh, it stopped making noise. Maybe that's what's weird. Anyways. You know what this kind of reminds me of is like a spicy Chick-fil-A sauce. That's what it's hitting as, and that's not right. That's odd. So, yeah, Chick-fil-A. There's a really good cartoon of how they make the Chick-fil-A sauce. You should look it up on YouTube. You'll laugh. Anyways. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hey, get over here. Put your hands on top of your head. Walk. Walk over here. Put your hands on top of your head now. Turn around. Turn around. No. Turn around. Hey!